Like the Apple Watch 8, the Watch Ultra uses an OLED screen with the same low refresh rate. That means it can carry the always-on display without draining the battery heavily. It's also been enhanced to have a higher peak brightness of 2000 nits, allowing you to see what you are doing in bright sunlight, and if you need to flick your eyes at your wrist when performing some fun intervals or trying to run really fast up a hill. It's also covered in sapphire and raised from the screen to stop it scratching easier again and again. This is the kind of thing that's increasing the price of the Watch Ultra, making it more robust but adding a lot more to the cost. The Watch Ultra display is the sharpest in any Apple Watch. That richer display means it's easier to follow instructions or read data on the go without needing to peer too closely. It's not massive though, and the big difference is the brightness on the screen. The peak brightness is something that will almost certainly appear clear in even the brightest conditions. Whether you will be able to see the GPS lock on the Watch Ultra is another thing though, as Apple traditionally doesn't do this. There is a backtrack on board where you can set your own waypoints and then use the compass to retrace your steps, but it looks a very fiddly system and you can't understand why Apple, which has its own Maps app, don't forget, hasn't got offline mapping added into this watch with auto-running routes or similar. When it comes to fitness, the Watch Ultra seems more geared towards being robust than it does being aged for all manner of sport tracking. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.